Over here.
Okay, it's November 5th. Mother, can you tell me what's going on in the house today?
We're finishing the wedding quilt. It's on the wall over there. And I got other BFFs over here doing stuff. And we had panini lunch. And I'm with my friends, which is what I want to do every day. And this is Cindy.
Cindy over here. And we got Dolores. And now, are you helping with the wedding quilt, or you got your own project going on?
I'm helping Vicki with Oh My Gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
And this is
As I have often
Hi,
remarked.
Joanne.
Joanne's our little guppy.
Project child.
Now, are you helping with the wedding quilt, Joanne?
Why, certainly.
No. Show her what you're making.
Yeah, show us what you're making.
You know you're going to be on
Look
YouTube.
at that. You are going to be on YouTube. Y'all signed an agreement whether you knew it or not.
And
Just
this
by
is
showing up.
Barb's the mastermind piecer.
Yeah,
Barb's
right.
the puzzle put together.
Puzzle put together.
Yeah.
And we got Tater on
Here's
quilt
Tater.
machine number 2.
Machine number
you.
2. I think I'm going to sew here.
I love it when we exchange.
On the wedding.
And
Did your word get it?
I woke up Tuesday